everyone, welcome to another Magna Mods video. Today we will be talking basically about what Floyd is doing to his Verada, his crazy Magna build that's not actually ever been done before. So all-wheel drive and lots of craziness. So I'll let Floyd do the talking for his car.
So yeah, the build is pretty much a 6G75 3.8 twin cam 6G72 heads on top, and the addition to Magna variable valve lift, not timing like others, coupled to a 6-speed Evo gearbox modified to suit, running through the all-wheel drive system. Custom loom and custom tune to go with it as well, so pretty hectic, pretty nuts at the moment.
Not using a Mitsubishi tune, but using a factory tune from another car manufacturer.
Yes.
That shall not be specified at this time.
No, its operation is using a Kia Sorento tune. I got to repin the connectors to suit the Kia ECU output. Having a bit of troubles there. The whole lounge room floor is covered in wiring loom of 4 different models, so that's quite interesting.
Was it AWD Verada,
Magna to incorporate a traction control system as well. We'll get onto that later. And parts of Pajero to make it more complicated.
That's pretty crazy. It's been a long time researching. It's been watching Floyd researching for hours and hours and still developing and going, oh crap, that's not going to work halfway through, because that's half the fun of doing something that's not been done before. So they're 30M heads, aren't they?
Yep, off the Jap spec Diamante. They've 4 or 5 sets in Oz.
That we know of.
That we know of, yeah. The major setback was the valves were stuffed, putting it politely, so had to spend big bucks to get new ones, get them reseated, heads shaved, and pretty much a rebuild from there. Alrighty, so we've arrived to the engine bay of the car. This is what it looks like. As you can see, I've got the engine in, standard headers for now. We'll be modifying a set of extractors later on. At the moment they can wait. As you can see, no gearbox, but gearbox case just to hold the engine in. Main wiring harness been removed, stripped back and fitted with the 3 other looms as previously mentioned. Lower intake manifold has to be custom made to suit due to a different thread pattern or stud pattern. The timing belt itself is a Pajero twin cam that has been, luckily it fits, so that's a good kiss on the dick. Alternator brackets custom grind down to suit, same as the power steering up the back. I've got the factory Diamante upper manifold, but Mr. Stephen Wickers has that to do some port work on. Definitely look him up. Top job. So we've got custom wiring for the TCL to suit into the ABS, which also houses the all drive G sensor as well, which will be programmed in. The clutch masters, all factory Magna, will come down to Evo Bellhausen, and all Evo clutch sleeve from there. The custom front bar is in storage, ready to be painted, same as the custom rear bar and the rest of the body kit. We'll come around to, got to open the back door because the front door is hard up against a pole. As you can see, no front seat due to lack of being able to get in. They've got me custom 6-speed shifter, me GTVI steering wheel with stereo controls, which I'll suss out a way to get them to work. Pretty sure I'll use a patch harness, and the rest of the wiring loom to suit. So FTO, Pajero, mag, as well as the all drive. So pretty much repin that to suit the loom, and repin it to suit the Kia ROM, which, if you got the right accessories, isn't too hard. Just to let you know, it's time consuming. And that's pretty much it. Update of my vehicle. Another happy thing I've managed to get is the GTO VR4 rims, which will be staying on the car. They are a 18-inch rim. They're meant to house a 245 tyre from memory. I'll be sticking a 255 on to have pretty much the same circumference as the standard all-drive rim.